Within the past hour, President Trump complimented recent comments made by Dallas Cowboys owner Jerry Jones with regard to his players standing for the national anthem. The president tweeted, "A big salute to Jerry Jones, owner of the Dallas Cowboys, who will bench players who disrespect our flag. Stand for anthem or sit for game." Fox 4's Richard Ray is at the Star in Frisco with the story.
Good evening, Clarice. Wherever you stand on the anthem issue, some people are asking the question, does Jerry Jones have the legal right to demand that his players stand or suffer the consequences?
The answer is that Jerry Jones probably is within his legal rights.
Quentin Brogdon is a Dallas attorney with no connection to the Cowboys or the anthem dispute.
The First Amendment protects and prevents the government from restricting free speech, but not private employers and private individuals as a general rule.
Jerry Jones made his comments off camera and after Sunday's last-minute loss to Green Bay.
There is no equivocation here. We'll stand for the flag. If there's anything that is disrespectful to the flag, then we will not play.
Jerry?
Okay. You understand? We will not. If we are disrespecting the flag, then we won't play. Period.
He didn't say he was firing the players who sat. So I think that gives him a little more leeway there.
I haven't had a conversation with Mr. Jones about that.
Head coach Jason Garrett says he has not talked to the owner about sitting players, but did speak to two players who raised fists after the anthem was over.
Yeah, I think the players you're referring to are DeMontre Moore and David Irving, and I had conversations with both of them today, and they did that well after the anthem was completed, and it was a private thing that they did for themselves.
Garrett says absolutely not when asked if the players will be disciplined.
I believe our team believes in the approach that we take in regards to the anthem and showing respect for the flag and for the national anthem prior to the game.
They should stand. You have to stand.
The flames were fanned in this debate 2 weeks ago when President Trump said players who protest during the anthem should be fired. Then Jones and the Cowboys took a knee before the anthem at a Monday night game against Arizona, but all stood for the anthem. President Trump complimented the Cowboys owner on how they handled it, and he called Jerry Jones, but Jones downplayed the attention from the president. The NFL has said that there is a policy in the collective bargaining agreement that calls for players to stand during the anthem, but not a rule, and no player will be disciplined by the league for kneeling.
Going forward, when that collective bargaining agreement is renegotiated in the future between the NFL and the NFL Players Association, there's going to be something very specific in that agreement about whether the players have to stand or under what circumstances they don't.
The Cowboys do have a bye week this week. There weren't any players around today, but the sports guys do tell me, Clarice, that the locker room will be open on Tuesday and Wednesday, so we may hear more from players later this week.
Richard Ray live at the Star in Frisco. Thank you.